Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing awesome. So welcome back to another exciting video. So in this video, we'll talk about the tool like I use tldraw most of the time to draw something or to explain something, or whether I wanna just maintain my few notes like the headlines or the high level, I would say. So I just maintain all those in tldraw. Although I'm using the free version of tldraw, I'm not using the paid version, but yeah, I use tldraw a lot. Okay, so a few days back I was just exploring and I got to know about another tool, which is your tldraw. This is similar to your tldraw, but let me show you the power of tldraw. uh, I don't know like exactly how reliable this is. Just give me a sec. Hello.
Ano? Yeah, hi. Kita
Okay, so let me share my screen and let's walk you through with that tool. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, so now what you can do, like for the TL draw, you can whether just go to the developer mode. Yeah, it also supports like you can. It also has the SDK. You can just integrate with your React or TypeScript, and you can use the free Canvas or Whiteboard. Okay, for that part, you just have to go here. Your tldraw.com is your whiteboard, and if you'll move to your tldraw.dev, you will be redirected to their actual website where they provide you like what is your tldraw, like build infinite canvas app in React with tldraw SDK. I'm not sure about the skeleton. Okay, but like here you have products, and also this is not a promotional video like they are paying me something or nothing like that. I'm not promoting anything here. I just found this tool like useful, or might be I'll be using this tool for the next few videos. So I thought that I should share with you all. And here in the developer section, you can just go to the documentation. You will find the React and TypeScript documentation. Like you can integrate with the NPM, and you can just go through with these all. And here you have the quick guide, starter kits, examples, and you can just check this out. And here also, okay, we'll go to everything. Just let me show you the first. Yeah. So I hope, yeah, screen is visible. So this is the first glance of your TL draw. Now what you have to, and the dashboard is pretty similar to your SQL draw. Okay, here you will find few things. I was just exploring. So what you can do here, the first thing, this is the free version. I am not paying. I didn't buy anything here. This is not a subscription. This is the free version. I just sign up with my account, and here you can see you can create as many projects as you want. The better thing, inside projects you can create as many like pages, I would say, or the canvas you want. Like initially I created for the phase 1 like API DB and blah. These all like the shapes and everything is like similar. You can check out all the shapes here, and also you can upload images, and this is the shapes are similar. And this is like whether you want to change the width or change the font style, and everything you'll find here. And the good part, you can just navigate with different pages or the canvas. This is also infinite, and this is totally isolated from your phase 1. I'll show you like how I found this useful. Because also one more thing, like suppose here you have to draw one rectangle, and the width I want is this. And suppose I wanna like the shaded, like the fill, or I would say the pattern to be filled. I can simply select this. Or if I want like the solid fill, I can select this one. This is not in the Skeletor. I'm not sure like whether this is in the paid version of Skeletor, but not in the free version. But they are providing as of now. TLDRAW is providing in their free version. So I found this seems interesting. Okay. On the next one, let me show you like this is my Skeletor. As you can see here, like this is my Skeletor. I have lot more things on my Skeletor. My gosh. Can you see this? नाउ अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पे अगर सब कुछ मैनेज करने के लिए है, लाइक आई कैन क्रिएट लाइक हेयर माय projects inside that. I can create pages and the canvas. So it's like structured. I can just simply go to anywhere and use this. Also, if you wanna like integrate with your React or TypeScript, you can just go with this APIs. Now there is like different pricing plans for this. So if you go to pricing, like you will have in the free version, no credit card required, and self-serve key from tldraw, works in dev, staging, or production, full SDK feature access. Now you might be thinking, yeah, everything is free here, so why I have to go with the startup and business? For the startup, you can get the license, and these are the features they are providing in the startup. And for the business, there you have to talk to the sales, and they'll figure out like what is your business and how you wanna use that and all those stuff. Let's compare these plans. Okay, so here you have like the production domains permitted, like hobby is your free one. Okay, here you have one domain only. Watermark. Yes, watermark will be there. How? Like this. This watermark will be there if you are using the free version. Okay. Commercial you cannot use for that. Billing is free. Community support will be there. And SLS service level agreements won't be there. Okay. It is not secure. Okay. This is for if you are integrating with your projects. And for the startups, you will have two domains, no watermark. You are paying for that, bro. Why would you get the watermark then? Commercial use, oh, pretty high. Oh, मैंने कॉफी बनाई थी यार. Just give me a sec. Pricing in the startup, you have pricing of $6,000 per year. I don't know. Uh, I won't be used for startup. If I only use for hobby as of now. Later on, I don't know. Okay. Then SLS also not there in your startup. Business. Then your custom domains, you can. Production domains permitted, custom, you can. Watermark won't be there. Commercial use, you can. Custom billing, dedicated support, SLS, SLS available. So this is the pricing plan they are offering as of now. And more you can just check out like how they work and how you can integrate with your how you can integrate with your project, that you can just go through with the documentation. I believe they have pretty well structured documentation, so you can check it out. And if you also want like a demo how we can integrate into our React project, then drop a comment. I'll create a video where I'll show you how we can integrate that. That's super easy. I think you can do that. If you want me to create a video on that as well, I'll create a video on that. So I think I'm gonna use this for the upcoming videos. tldraw. So क्या कहते हो? Just go and just give it a try to tldraw as well if you are using ScaleDraw. Now there is a question like, will tldraw replace your ScaleDraw? I don't know. I do not have any specific answer for that. But yeah, inside tldraw, I found one disadvantage. I don't know like the disadvantage or like they have what they have managed in their code level. Like after few minutes, when I'm just coming back to my tab of the tldraw, like here I have only capital wrist. If I am just switching here, and after a few times, and after so long, I'm coming back here. It is just switching back to the light theme. I don't know, and by default, you will land directly on the light theme. But when I'm just coming back from after switching multiple tabs or working on the other things, automatically it will be switched to the light theme, which I don't like. I don't know like whether this is a code level issue or the cache or whatever they are maintaining it there in the browser. But yeah, this needs to be fixed. But let's see. I'll try this your tldraw for the upcoming videos and see how it goes. Yeah, that's all for about this video. If you found this video helpful or useful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, or share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.